guys, I'm going to show you the solo to what I got. The proper way, the real way. There's a lot of bad tabs and instruction out there. I'm so sorry to talk crap on everybody, but this is how it's actually done. I play this nightly in gigs, trust me. Here it is. I'm going to give you the basics, and by the way, you can find the tab for free on my Patreon. But it's essentially this. You're going to play the 12th fret of the A string, 10th fret of the D, 12th fret of the D. Okay, just the first three. 12, 10, 12. Okay, just walking up the scale. Then you keep walking up the scale, 10th fret of the G. So real easy pentatonic. This is where it gets a little fun, okay? 12th fret D string, 10th fret D string, hammer on to the 12th fret D string. Now you might have saw me give you some flourishes in there. I'll slide into that, especially because I'm playing chords here, right? So sliding into that note's really nice for the effect. And then giving this note here, the 10th fret, a little pinch. And I might give a little vibrato on that last note there. Then we got ourselves some double stops, and I'll do it just like so with these particular fingers. My third finger on the 12th fret D string, my middle finger, my second finger on the 11th fret G string. Playing those at the same time. By the way, if you're hearing some deadness, or you gotta bring those guys up and strike just those two. Bring that shape down a whole step. So now you're on the 10th fret D, 9th fret G. And then you're gonna play the 9th fret D, 7th fret G twice. One more time. And you gotta watch these other strings here. So subtly I'm muting the B string with my first finger. And if you get really good, you can subtly mute the A string with your third finger, but just work on that later. Okay, so that's kind of the first half. Let's go ahead and get into the next half, which is a little bit more interesting and bluesy. It's gonna be this. So it starts off with a middle finger playing the 11th fret G, hammering to your 12th fret with your third finger. And then we're gonna go to the B string, hammer on from 10 to 12. And then we got ourselves a 10th fret of the high E. So, and I might give that a little pinch too, just for fun. Back to your 12th fret B. And then pull off from 12 to the 10. Bring it up to the 13th fret, 12th fret. So that's a lot, I know. 11, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12th fret B, pull off to 10, grab the 13th, bring it down to the 12th, and then you got yourself the 10th fret of the B string, finally giving yourself a little 12th fret G. And I'll use my third finger for that, my middle finger maybe to back it up and give it just a little gnarliness, a little bluesy pinch. So it's, right? And I'll kind of cut that as well. All right, so that's it, you guys. That is the solo section to what I got. If you loved it, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Maybe give me some suggestions of what you want. If you like the Sublime stuff, if you like the solo stuff, hit me with some comments. Leave me some love, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.